Events have canceled, the Saints are playing elsewhere, and it could be more than a year before the Superdome is back in business.
Of course, the building was seriously damaged by Katrina and in its role as the evacuation shelter. But the process of bringing back the dome is underway, as Jim Henderson shows us.
But this carpet's got to come out because it too is saturated with water.
For the first time since 6:15 a.m., August 29th, the lights are back on in the Superdome. The electrical kind now, not the ones Katrina provided in creating wind-ripped skylights. Initial fears or maybe hopes that the building would be leveled are gone.
The building is repairable. We're told by the architects and the engineers that it's structurally sound, and we believe that it can be repaired. It's just a matter of how much money and how long will it take.
SMG awaits the results by November 1st of an architectural study which will provide the renovations game plan.
At the end of this study, we're going to have an itemized cost to repair. That number is going to range from $125 to $150 million, perhaps. The question then becomes, how much beyond that do we want to go? Do we want to make any improvements to the stadium? And if so, what will that cost and what will it do in terms of adding time to the schedule?
A combination of insurance and FEMA monies is expected to cover the repair costs. Think of the Superdome as your flood-damaged house, only with a 9.6-acre roof and similarly magnified problems elsewhere. Roof damage, rain damage, wet carpets, and mold. But within 45 days, a temporary roof will solve the most urgent problem, and other concerns can be addressed on a prioritized basis thereafter. The Superdome is one of New Orleans' most recognizable structures, and its rebirth would symbolize this city's as well.
There's nothing better to say that we're back than the Superdome being rebuilt.
And while it's hoped that certain exterior elements to the dome can be changed to give it a new, fresh image, don't expect any reminder of the recent gloomy past in the dome's brighter future.
Another thing that's not being considered is a blue roof and calling this the FEMA Dome for naming rights, right?
No.
All right, just wondered.
Jim Henderson, Eyewitness News.
Tomorrow in Baton Rouge, the state will select the architectural firm that will determine the eventual look of the restoration of both the Superdome and the New Orleans Arena.